Welcome to this detailed tutorial on building a quiz form in WordPress without the need for any additional plugins. In this guide, every step has been carefully laid out so you can follow along and create your quiz form quickly and effortlessly. We begin by directing you to your WordPress site. Open your browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once you see the home page, locate the login option, which is conveniently placed at the top right corner. After clicking the login option, you will be prompted to sign in. Rather than entering your credentials manually, you have the option to continue using your Google account. This feature streamlines the process and saves you time. When you click on the Continue with Google option, a window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you prefer to use for login. Select the appropriate account and proceed. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for a section referred to as Quick Links. In this Quick Links area, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this option to move forward towards editing your website. Upon clicking Edit Site, your website's editor interface opens up, displaying your current site content and design elements. At this point, you will need to select the specific website you wish to modify. If you have more than one, simply click on your website from the list provided to begin the editing process. Now that you are inside the site editor, focus your attention on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the interface. This icon is essential because it provides you with access to add new blocks or elements to your site. Clicking on this icon will display a search field. Within the search field, type the word quiz to locate the quiz block that has been pre-configured for you. This step is designed to streamline your search and simplify finding the correct tool to build your form. Once you have typed in the word quiz, the available quiz component should appear in the menu below. To continue, click on the revealed quiz option to insert it onto your page. After clicking on the quiz option, you are given the flexibility to either paste an existing quiz link or create a new quiz directly within this element. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your needs. If you already have a quiz hosted elsewhere, you can simply paste the link into the provided space. Alternatively, if you would like to start fresh and design a new quiz from scratch, you have that option available as well. Each step in this process is crafted to ensure that you build a fully functional quiz form without the additional overhead of plugins. The method described keeps your workflow streamlined and emphasizes using the native features of WordPress. Follow these instructions carefully, ensuring that each click and input is made with precision. This tutorial not only saves you time, but also empowers you to customize your website more freely. Enjoy experimenting with the quiz form and make sure to review your design and functionality once you have completed the steps.